Students at Galena High School may have been exposed to whooping cough. It's according to a letter from Northern Nevada Public Health saying that whooping cough may have been active at the school. Now, because of this, Northern Nevada Public Health recommends Galena High students to stay home if they have a cough and get checked by a doctor. They add symptoms are most likely to appear on or before March 4th. Anyone with questions or concerns can reach out to Northern Nevada Public Health at 775-328-2402.